What's up, my mini Tantans? This is my old bitch. She's kind of broken. So I've been waiting for 5 months to get a new Xbox so I can just say, fuck this. And, let's get to our new one. I got some boss ass fuck games. I got Tomb Raider. I got Shit Warfare. We're just gonna open up this bitch. Alright, and I think you're gonna need to step on here. Alright. Adrenaline rush. Jesus. Oh! Is that an Xbox symbol? That's a fucking Xbox symbol. Let's do this. Why not? It's not opening. Oh, he's stupid. Ooh, I got free Xbox Live Gold, I think. Oh, it says Xbox Live Gold. Anyways, whoa, look at that. Look at that proper Rapido. I'll put it like this so the camera can see it. One phone. And then here comes the beast. In my opinion, guys, the Xbox 360, though, is better than the PS4 and the PS1 combined. It just is. I like the old-fashioned models, but, fuck! It shocked me! Bitch, is that where you want to treat me? You want to get close up to you? Okay. Oh man, this is an adrenaline rush. Oh. Hanuman sana, hey. Holy sh! Look at that! Look, my fingerprint. That's a 160S Xbox. Alright, let's put it back down on the phone. Because my desk is extremely dangerous. Dirty, I mean. Let's see if I have any games on disc. Because if I don't, I'm gonna sue this fucking place. Alright, this should be the power brick. Fat ass plugging cord, my big ass brick. All the times they want, I'll be on my brick. Oh, I got a free controller. Sweet man. Yeah, it's my happy dance. Well, add some music to this. Let's check out this stupid ass remote. Even though I got my good one somewhere. Here's my good one. This is my good remote right here. It's all up to date. It's beautiful. It's red. It's my color. Oh, I got a free pair of batteries. Ooh, I love that new remote feeling. I hate these remotes, guys. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's the fact that I can just walk around with it, like have no boundaries, but I like limits. What does that smell like to you? Does it smell like crystal fucking weed? Oh! I'm back. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna do this one. Alright, so we're gonna end it right now. We're gonna get back when it's set up so we can show you guys this shit. What it's gonna be like, you know what I mean? Go. That is my new character. Do you agree?